Hi everyone, I'm Chef Rafi and welcome to my show. Today we're gonna go to Denmark. We will be making Danish open sandwiches. Denmark is a really fun place. There are water taxis just like in Baltimore. And the police ride horses. My first cafe experience was in Denmark. And I drove my first car there. I went on tours that put me to sleep. And I was the youngest delegate at an international conference. We will be making 2 types of Danish open-faced sandwiches. For a sandwich, you would need caviar bread, pâté, tomato, Swiss cheese, asparagus, and capers. And for the second sandwich, you would need alfalfa sprouts, pâté, fish eggs, bread, capers, and salmon. We will be using rye bread. Toast the rye bread until it's crispy. Wash the alfalfa sprouts. Spread the pâté on the bread. Guys. I'm using goose pâté. Put the caviar from Norway on the other piece of bread. Cut the tomatoes like this, y'all. Put the alfalfa sprouts on one of the sandwiches. Put the smoked salmon on top of the alfalfa sprouts. Put the capers on top of the smoked salmon. Three pieces of asparagus on top of the sandwich. I baked the asparagus first in salt, pepper, and oil. Put the fish eggs in the middle of the sandwich. Dun, 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 dun. For the second sandwich, put grated Swiss cheese on the pâté. Now put asparagus on the sandwich. Grate it with caviar. I'm gonna cut the star fruit for decoration. There you have it, folks. Hope you like this recipe. Bon appetit! If you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel now.